India's Ministry of Defence awaits responses for major Indian Sniper Rifle Procurement. India's Ministry of Defence has invited responses by December 12 from overseas manufacturers to its request for proposals. Rifles which are being acquired under the Buy and Make category of India's Defence Procurement Procedure 2016. According to the RFP, delivery of the first lot of 707 rifles would begin within 6 months of the deal being signed, and the remaining 4,472 would be supplied to the IA batches of 1,200 units each.